Hey y'all, Anson here over Ivey Forge. So today I'm going to be making that brooch that I talked about. It's for my girlfriend. Her birthday's coming up here in September. So I'm going to go ahead and knock that out. I got a live stream going off in the back. Right now it's Jason. And I think Yamez is coming up next, and I'll switch over to him. So hey, I'm going to be multitasking, watching some fellow YouTubers and blacksmiths. And I'll go ahead and shoot their links down in the description. Alright, and let's go pound this thing out. Alright, so there we go. I'm just going to do a long, drawn-out taper, and then I'm going to go ahead and round it up, and then switch over to do the other side, and then I'm actually going to draw out the rest of this material on the horn to get a little bit of length out of it, and then I'll start doing the bends, or the curls, or whatever it's called. Alright. If you've never gotten one of these, it's one of the arm sweatbands. They're nice. Especially for a guy that sweats a lot like me. Keeps the sweat off the palm of your hand for the most part. And it's always a rag close by to wipe your face. So I highly invest. Want to get one. Alright, so this started out roughly 5.5, 6 inches long. It's right around 13 and a quarter. I think the biggest is maybe a 3/8 round, and it's tapering down to points. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat up these ends, clean it up. This end isn't tapered as much as this end, so I'm gonna clean this side up just a hair. Again, and taper down just a little bit better. It's about 1 inch in, and then I'll start doing the curls on the ends, and then getting it bent into the S shape. Alright, so there we go. That's my version of the hair clip. So the pin's still a little hot, but hair brooch, hair pin, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I hope she likes it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share if you wouldn't mind. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe down in the corner, and check out a couple of these other videos. And you can go ahead and follow me too on Facebook and Instagram over at Ivey Forge. I do post a couple videos and or pictures, some behind the scenes type stuff every now and again. Alright, catch you on the next one. Bye.